Welcome to Marquise Properties. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to find pricing, explore the property management consultation booklet, and complete the onboarding process. How to find pricing? Visit our website at marquiseproperties.com. On the homepage, click Services. On the Services tab, look for Property Management. You'll be routed to another page and click Learn More and View Pricing. On the next page, click the button Click to Access and it will move to the bottom of the page. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. A new page will provide instructions to check your email for next steps. You can also check your email and look for Summary of Prices and Fees for our property management services. It includes details about our fees and pricing. Check the attached file for a complete guide. Now, let's take a look at the Property Management Consultation Booklet. This resource provides details on pricing and the services of our four flexible property management plans, including pricing for owners with existing tenants or multiple properties. Additional resources like MP Plus and Landlord Protection Insurance, designed to maximize your benefits as a property owner, is also here. Check your email for a link to this consultation booklet and explore everything it offers. Finally, let's complete the onboarding process. From the link on your email, activate and create your new account to access the MP Online portal. Once logged in, click on the Need Attention pop-up on the top of the page. Select a checklist has been assigned to you. On the new page, choose New Property Owner Checklist. The list consists of action items you need to accomplish. There are two ways to complete the PM sign-up process. You can use the email with the link sent separately, or you can go back to the first page and choose a flow has been assigned to you. A new tab will show the Property Management Services intake form. Fill out all the required fields and click Save and Continue. Upload your government-issued photo ID, plus capture a live selfie by following the instructions and completing the form on the new page. Review the Property Management Agreement by signing the document on the new page under the Document tab. After completing an item in the checklist, click Yes The status of the item should change to completed with the date and time of completion. If you encounter any issue, select Help, I'm stuck, and you can describe the issue on the pop-up of the bottom of the page and click Send. You're all set. Thank you for choosing Marquise Properties.